Sometimes, when we use a verb, we add small words like up, on, or after, and this makes a phrasal verb. Phrasal verbs are difficult to learn because they are not always literal or obvious. Look at these examples. Give up. We understand give, but what is give up? This means to stop doing something. When we add the word up, we create a new meaning. I had to give up eating chocolate in the office. Take on. We understand take, but what is take on? This means to take or accept more work or responsibility. When we add on, we create a new meaning. My boss wants me to take on more responsibility and supervise a small team. Look after. We understand look, but what is look after? This means to care for someone or something, or to be responsible for it. When we add after, we create a new meaning. I have to look after the servers to make sure that all systems work correctly. There are many phrasal verbs in English. The best thing to do is learn a few, use them, then learn a few more. Don't worry, phrasal verbs are difficult for everyone. Just go slowly and try.